How do you add a custom token to your Trust wallet, and why would you want to do that? The reason you would want to do that is probably you bought a token using your Trust wallet, but you can't find it here. This happens sometimes when you buy a new token and then you would expect it to show up here, but you wouldn't see it. Okay, so probably what you would want to do before you buy any token, especially a new token, is to come to your Trust wallet and add the token here first. Okay, so to do this, what you would want to do is to first come here and go through all of the tokens that you can see right here. If you can't find the token you want to buy, right, the next thing you would have to do is to click on this button right there. So that would bring you to this place. So what you want to do is to search for that token you want to buy, right? You would want to scroll down to see if you can find the token here. So let's say you found the token, right? All you would have to do would be to toggle this button right here. Let's say this is the token in question. You just toggle this button like that, and then you would go back to your home page. The token will show up like this. Okay, but I wouldn't advise doing this, and the reason is this: developers these days name their tokens after the name of other successful tokens. Okay, and this makes it difficult to actually know the token you are trying to buy, right? So you might toggle the wrong button on, right? There are a lot of tokens that have the same name or similar names. You might get confused. So the better thing is to come to coinmarketcap.com, right? So you come here to look for the token in question, the token you want to buy. So you would just simply scroll down like this to look for the token. If you can't find the token, you might want to simply use this search button up here to search for the token, right? You just click on that and type the name of the token and search it, and that way the token would be displayed. Okay, so once you find the token, let's say that the token in question is this token right here, right? So what you would have to do would be to simply click on the token. So that's going to bring you to this place, right? You can see where it says contracts. So you can see it also says something else here. It says Ethereum. So Ethereum is the network. This right here is the contract address, right? So you would want to copy this. So you copy this, and then you will come back to your Trust wallet and paste the link up there. And once you paste the link, the token is gonna show up here right immediately, and you will simply turn on the button right there. Exactly like that, and then you would go back to your home page by clicking on this button, and boom, you can see Chili's down right here. Another thing you can do if you don't want to turn on this button right here is to simply do it manually by clicking on this plus button, right? So if you click on this plus button, so you're going to see this page right here. You're going to be requested to add the network, right? And then you're going to add the contract address, and then the name, the symbol, and the decimal, right? So basically you're going to go back to CoinMarketCap to get those details. If you come back to CoinMarketCap, you can see where it says contracts. Immediately you will see Ethereum. Ethereum is the network, right? So, and the other details, to get them, all you would have to do would be to simply click on this website right here. So that will bring you to this place. So all you would have to do would be to use the block explorer of the token, right? So it might be Etherscan, it might be BSC scan, or whatever other kind of scan. So in this case, let's use Etherscan, right? You click on that. So here you would get the other details you would need for the token in question. For example, here you're going to know the number of decimals for the token, the same contract address that was on CoinMarketCap. You're still going to see it here, and this right here would represent the token name. So all you would have to do would be to go back to your Trust wallet and put in these details. So let's do that. So back here, I will simply paste the contract address, and when you do that, there is every likelihood that these other things will be filled automatically, right? So let's do that. So you can see we pasted the contract address, and then the name is showing here, and the symbol is showing, and the 18 decimals, right, is also showing. And that's it. You will just click on the done button. And that's exactly how you can add a custom token to your Trust wallet, right? If you go back to your home page again, you'll be able to see it right here on the home page. And another thing to bear in mind is that sometimes the token might not be available on CoinMarketCap, so you would have to go to the Telegram group of the coin you want to buy to get their contract address, get the network and the number of decimals, right? And also the token name to be able to add the token right here. Okay, so this is how you can do this. This is Brixelbees, and this is your guy Ken signing out.